Hello teachers! In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating assessments using the Extramarks platform. The first step is to log into your teacher account, visiting www.extramarks.com on your browser. Click on the login button and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page of your teacher account. Here, you'll see your name and the school's name displayed at the top. Accessing the assessment module. To create an assessment, click on the three lines in the top left corner, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu, select Assessment and then click on the Create Assessment button. At the top of the page, you will notice three options: Preview Paper, Save as Draft, Save and Assign. These buttons will activate as you proceed with the assessment creation process. Modes of paper creation. You have two modes to create assessments. Online test. Create an assessment that students can attempt on their learning application. Upload mode. Use this mode if you have a pre-prepared question paper in PDF, JPG, JPEG or PNG format that students can either view on their app or as printed copies in offline exams. Online test creation. Let's consider the online test method. Enter the test name and select the language of instructions. Specify the total duration of the test, for example, 15 minutes. Choose a question selection mode. Manual. Select questions individually from the repository. Automated. Questions are auto-selected based on specified filters. In this tutorial, we will proceed with the manual selection mode. Adding questions. Before adding questions, you can configure additional settings, such as optional questions, negative marking, mandatory sections. To add questions, click on the Add Questions button. You can select questions from various sources, including the Extramarks repository, your personal repository, bookmarked questions, questions shared by other teachers. Apply filters such as board, subject, chapter, question type, difficulty level to narrow your search. Once the filters are applied, select the questions you want and click on Add Questions. Once done, preview the paper, save it as a draft, or save and assign it. Assigning the assessment. To assign the assessment, select whether the test will be online or offline. Choose the class and section. Set the test validity period. Configure result settings. Instantly. Results are visible immediately after submission. After validity. Results appear post the validity period. Manual. Teachers can manually set the result visibility date and time. Click on Assign and the system will confirm the successful assignment of the paper. You can view the assigned assessment details under the Task Assignment tab. Additional features. For offline tests, you can download and print the question paper either with or without answer sheets. The printed paper will include the school name, assessment details, and instructions. Under Paper Settings, you can shuffle questions, vary the order of questions for each student, enable multiple attempts, allow students to attempt the assessment multiple times, allow delayed submissions, permit submissions beyond the timeline, set time limits, define time limits for each question. You can also customize paper instructions or add additional settings as required. These features ensure the assessment meets the needs of your class. Summary. To summarize, here are the steps to create an assessment. Click on Create Assessment. Choose the type of assessment, online test or upload mode. Enter the assessment name and other details. Add questions using the preferred selection mode. Configure settings and assign the test to students. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more such guides. Thank you and happy teaching.